Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel kheer at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of basmati rice, which should be rinsed and soaked for about 30 minutes. Also, have 4 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder ready. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of ghee, a pinch of saffron, and your favorite mixed nuts for garnish. Now, let's start cooking our kheer base. Begin by draining your soaked rice thoroughly. Transfer the drained rice to a heavy-bottomed pot and add 2 cups of whole milk. Cook this mixture on a low heat, stirring gently and occasionally to prevent sticking. Continue cooking until the rice becomes wonderfully soft and the milk has thickened considerably. This step usually takes around 20 to 25 minutes to achieve the perfect creamy consistency. Next, we'll create that beautiful caramel. In a separate, clean pan, melt 1 cup of sugar over medium heat. Resist the urge to stir at first. Let it melt naturally. Once the edges start to liquefy, gently stir until all the sugar dissolves and transforms into a rich, golden brown caramel. Then, very carefully, pour in the remaining 2 cups of warm milk, stirring continuously until the caramel is completely smooth. Now for the grand finale. Gently pour your warm caramel milk mixture into the pot with the cooked rice and milk base. Stir everything together thoroughly to combine all the wonderful flavors. Add the 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron, and 1 tablespoon of ghee for an extra layer of richness. Simmer this delightful concoction for another 5 to 7 minutes, then garnish with your toasted nuts and serve warm or chilled. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.